Tonight, it is my honor and privilege to announce that I will nominate Judge Brett Kavanaugh to the United States Supreme Court.
In those 12 years, he's written over 300 opinions. And if you read those opinions, and if you help him work on the cases, what you learn about him is that he's very principled, he's very diligent, he's open-minded, he will sometimes part from his colleagues on the left or the right when that's what the law requires. And he's sort of a judge's judge. He listens to everyone, he's thoughtful, and he's very deliberate. With respect to cases that touch on some of those difficult policy questions in a legal way, he will consider those cases as they come. He's not one to ever prejudge a case or to think that he knows the answer in advance. And that's because he wants to consider the arguments raised by every party and wants to read every brief, reread every case. As a justice, I think he'll do great. I mean, I think that advocates who are arguing in front of him will be so pleasantly surprised by how thoughtful and even-handed he is. That's what he's been like for over a decade on the DC Circuit. I think the other justices will be pleased to have a colleague who is so friendly and collegial, but also so hardworking and diligent. I think it's a great pick. Judge Kavanaugh has had a really outsized role in helping to diversify this little sliver of the legal profession. And he's done so by hiring predominantly female. I think a majority of his law clerks have been women, which is sort of unheard of at this level. And then after he hires us, he goes to bat for us in every way. And you know, it's impossible to get that Supreme Court clerkship if you don't have an appeals court judge like Brett Kavanaugh going to bat for you. And he goes to bat for us. And then he goes to bat for us for every job after that.